Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with FedEx Office for branded materials step by step clearly. Visit the FedEx Office website. Locate the Business Solutions section on the homepage. Click on Branded Materials from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to find the Register option. Click on the Register button. Fill in the required fields in the registration form. Provide your business name. Enter your email address. Choose a strong password. Confirm your password by retyping it. Select your business type from the options provided. Input your business address, including city and state. Enter your phone number. Review the terms and conditions provided. Check the box to accept the terms and conditions. Click on the Submit button to complete your registration. Look for a confirmation email from FedEx Office. Open the email and click the verification link inside. Return to the FedEx Office website. Log in using your email and password. You are now registered and can start ordering branded materials. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.